In this lesson we will create very simple but nice looking text transition or animation. Let's start. First, delete clip from track number 1 and move all the things on our timeline to the left. Create a new item, new title. This time I want 1920 by 1080. This is the size of my sequence, and rename to Udemy text. Choose text tool and create some text. I'm using highlight Gothic font. If you don't have it, don't worry, just take a look at the description. Resize this text and place it on middle. Change type from regular to bold. Select space between two words, Udemy and Studio, and change kerning. Okay, now it looks pretty good. We can always check our title without background, clicking on this icon. Okay, let's close it. Drag and drop to our timeline, and what is very interesting is fact that we can go to effects again. As you remember, track matte key, drag and drop this effect to our first clip and change matte to track number 4. Go now to new item, new black video, click OK. Drag and drop this video to track number 1. It will be background for our simple intro. Now go to effects, type ramp. Drag and drop here and change start color to white and end to gray. Change ramp shape to radial ramp, click on the ramp icon and we can edit effect using two circles like in After Effects. This is the easiest way to create interesting background just using Premiere Pro. I really recommend using this method. Now go back to title number 1. On second track and play with position keyframes. We can also open our rectangle and add shadow. Change size to 30, spread to 20, maybe opacity to 75%, and let's preview it using Enter. We can always move these keyframes to achieve best possible effect. Make our Udemy text and rectangle longer at the timeline. Maybe this time I want very smooth and slow transition. Alright, that's it. We can always edit title, text, play with different settings, what I really recommend to do.